Hey guys, if you miss having a CD and DVD player and burner on your laptop or desktop computer, then this might be perfect for you. And the brand sent me this one for free so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how innovative it is and how easy it is to use. Now, before I plug it into my laptop, I want to run through some of the features. Now, the first thing about this, you got a couple different connection possibilities. You can see over here, you can either connect with a regular USB or a USB-C. Now, once that's connected to your computer, you can have other plug-in options here. You can see two other USB ports here to open back up the one that you may have taken and to give you another one. And over here, you're gonna find a TF and SD card slot. It's the perfect size, which makes it nice and portable. You can stick it in your backpack, your laptop bag, briefcase, and take it anywhere. Okay, now let's connect it and show you how easy it is to use. Now I'm simply going to plug it into my USB input on my laptop here. You can see right away it's getting power. Now I'm simply going to press the eject button. You can see it slides out right away. Stick in your favorite DVD or CD. Now you can see over here a little pop-up. That's going to hook up to the DVD player on your computer, and there you go, ready to play the movie. So it works great, it's easy to use, it's got several unique features like these plugins over here, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a DVD, CD player, and burner for their laptop or desktop.